Well, Nifty for the day needs to stay above 5936, resistance at 5963 and 6007, support at 5892 and 5865. Bank Nifty needs to stay above 12,349 and CNX IT above 6513. BTST from yesterday, Reliance Communication was a buy with a stop of 110, target of 118. Idea was a buy with a stop of 132, target of 140. Karnataka Bank was a buy with a stop of 139, target of 152. Fresh calls, Dr. Reddy is a buy with a stop of 2130, target of 2210. Lupin is a buy with a stop of 755, target of 792. Cadila Health is a buy with a stop of 800, target of 850. Tata Motors is a sell with a stop of 312, target of 295. Canara Bank is a sell with a stop of 402, target of 385. And Dish TV is a sell with a stop of 66, target of 58.
See, the market was subdued, but you couldn't have missed Dr. Reddy's and Bata, so I've got two long calls over there with some sell calls. I'll start with the buy call on Dr. Reddy's, which closed at a new high, getting past the earlier swing highs of 2150. So some kind of breakout has happened over there, can be bought with a stop below 2125 for a price target of around 2220 on the upside. Bata is a buy with a stop below 840 for a target of around 905. Sell calls have comprise of a couple of banking stocks. The first one is Axis Bank, which can be sold with a stop at about 1420 for a price target of 1340. A UCO Bank can be sold with a stop at 77 or just above it, and I would look for a price target of around 72 over here. While Voltas, which after a few days of consolidation is again looking to possibly decline, has given a sell signal. Now can be sold with a stop at about 85 or just above it, and I would look for a price target of around 78.
I would talk of a level of Canara Bank has closed at somewhere around 396, 397. I would talk of a level of 385 to 383. That is where I see that it's a very clear 3-4% trading downside, and a stop loss can be placed around 405 or so. Tata Motors also has displayed some kind of a weakness, but at higher levels. 315, 318 is where a strong resistance has emerged, and I would talk of a limited downside. I mean, I will not talk of a big move from 305 to 275. I would talk of a 2% downside which can be traded in FNO. I would talk of a 293, 294 target on the downside.